I've heard from quite a few members recently who said how much they enjoyed the Berlin street scene that I did. So I thought I'd look for another cityscape or street scene. This is quite different. That was a rainy day in Berlin. This is a hot day in Martinique in the Caribbean. And I took this photo when we were there late last year. There was one person in the Berlin street scene, and this is quite busy. Lots of hustle and bustle, a busy market, people walking up and down the street. Lovely scene though, lots to do. It takes a long time to do this one. It takes several hours work. And for that reason, I've divided it into part 1 and 2. In part 1, we get the basics down, the background. We do the portrait of Colonel Sanders. And that's sort of the backdrop to the hustle and bustle of the market with all the people milling around, which we then tackle in part 2. Lots of lovely bright colours, lots of ways that you can use a bit of initiative and decide what you want to put in or leave out. I've really had fun doing this one, and I hope you enjoy it as well.